Hey guys, welcome back to another 0 to 60. We're trying to get as many videos out as we can leading up to roll racing. And I've got Declan here because we've come up with an idea. So since my car's not going to be, well, it's definitely not going to be at roll racing because it's in 24 hours time, I have a set of very grippy, very lightweight, very wide wheels. And Declan has an M car that they should actually bolt straight onto. So here we have the Koya SF13s that I bought for my 335. They're lightweight rims. It's been a busy couple of days. They are lightweight rims and got some Hankook decent semi-slick tyres. Shall we see if they fit on the M2?
Didn't you buy them just for me?
No. So there's a couple of reasons we need to do this now. Today is Friday. It is a day before roll racing, and we could just take them down to the track and bolt them on and hope for the best.
Yeah.
However, being the M2 and it has its tyre pressure safety warning system, we're concerned that it might throw up some errors because these don't have pressure monitors in them.
Yep.
So let's bolt it up. We don't even know if they're round. We need to really make sure they work.
We'll find out.
All right, let's get them bolted on to the M2. Okay, so we've got the car nosed in to the shed here. We're a bit short of space at the moment, so we'll get the fronts fitted up, spin it around to get the rears. It's nearly too tight to even film anything, so we'll just show you the finished product. In fact, actually no, we'll show them when we've got a wheel off to run side by side, because I think yours is going to have a bigger rolling diameter.
Could do.
I think. All right, so I just thought we'd film quickly why we got the two wheels there. Something that I knew was going to happen, which we'll try and get them closer. Yeah, hopefully you can see it there, but the Koyas that I have here are a slightly smaller rolling diameter. Now the dude I bought them off was running them on an M4, so I'm sure it's going to be fine, and obviously it matches the rear profile. Something that we did notice that was just kind of interesting, and we've both done it, they're not much lighter, are they?
If at all.
Yeah, so the genuine M2 fronts, and it could be because it's got the PS2s on them, which are a good late model tyre, I don't know.
Are they a wider rim?
They are a wider rim, because they're a 9, where they're 8.5, I think. No, have you got 9s? They'll tell us on the back. Does it say made in China? No, just kidding. They are a 9, so the same width rim.
Huh.
And this is a 19. But that's an 18.
Just those lightweight Cup 2s.
I think...
Because there's no tread left on them.
I'm going to get some scales, because I'm curious if they're actually lightweight. They're definitely lighter than my Chinese wheels, but maybe these are just particularly good rims, the genuines. Okay guys, so we've got the scales there. They are zeroed off. We'll put the Koyas on first. Hopefully, it's probably a terrible camera angle, but I'll read out the numbers. So the Koyas with the Hankook, which ones are they? They're the Hankook Ventus TD. They weigh quite a lot. I'm going to say 21.197 kilos. Close enough to 22 that makes no difference. And again, those tyres are quite worn out. These Michelin PS2s on the genuine M2 rims are a kilo lighter. Declan.
Yep.
They're 1.2 kilos, 1.3 kilos lighter, the genuine wheels.
So you're going to slow me down?
Oh shit. Well, I hope the tyres hook up a bit better. Dude, I'm really interested.
Should we just put skidders on the back and leave the lightweights on the front?
It might not be a bad idea. I kind of want to see what it looks like with the SF13s. Damn, I can't believe it. All right, we'll get the rest of this fitted up on the car. But yeah, it turns out we're going to a heavier setup. Actually, we better measure the rears as well. That sits better.
Yeah.
Okay, 21.
Just over 21.
It's as close as makes no difference, 21. And just to end it off, and I'm getting confused, it's too hot, but it looks like the rear wheel, the genuine rear wheel, is 21.9, 22 kilos. So we're going to lose a kilo in the rear.
Yep.
And I think gain a kilo in the front. This doesn't make sense. But unless it's because the fronts are wider top. I don't know. I have no idea. Guys, if you know what the hell's going on with these lightweight wheels, let us know. I think the whole setup will be a bit lighter. A little bit.
It's mainly for grip anyway, to be fair.
Yeah,
so.
that's true. All right. Well, we'll talk them up and we'll go see what it drives like. Watch your mirrors.
Yeah. They're good.
Dude, it does look race car. All right, I think you should stop there. I think you should hop out and just have a look, see what you think. Why do they look cool?
It does look good, hey?
They're smaller. I've never liked smaller wheels.
Yeah, yeah.
Makes your
It
brakes
makes the
look
car
way
look smaller.
bigger. Makes your brakes look bigger though.
Yeah, yeah.
The brakes look huge all of a sudden.
It does look more,
What are you going to say?
what's that, like, time attack thing where they do it in, like, car parks with cones and shit? Like, not on the track.
Autocross.
Yeah, it looks more autocross.
And fitment is,
Tight.
it's hella flush. We're going to have to see if we get any rub. You might, I don't think you're going to get rub.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
you've got...
Because it will go up a little bit, and it's not... I don't think it will even compress that much, to be fair.
All right. Should we take it for a drive?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so the thing we're not sure about is if it's going to have a panic attack because we don't have a tyre pressure sensors in there. Oh God, look at your reversing skills.
Terrible.
It's not spazzing out yet. All right, so we're just out on the road. They feel okay?
So far, so good. No warnings yet, which is interesting.
The reason I'm asking, I haven't driven on these wheels since I bought them secondhand from Marketplace, so I'm kind of curious if they're any good. But yeah, car seems to be behaving okay. This road is like really quite rough. I don't know if you can see us bouncing around, but if they're going to bottom out anyway, it'll probably be on this road.
True.
So we bounce around. The stabilisation on this GoPro is amazing, by the way.
Yeah, nothing over that bump, which...
They're not very noisy either.
No, the Cup 2s are actually quite noisy.
Yeah, this is a noisy road as well. I was expecting these to be noisy tyres. Oh well, we'll keep driving and we'll let you know if something exciting happens, like a 0 to 100 launch. So we just got onto a really nice smooth road and you can hear the tyres now. I just thought I'd record a bit and see if the GoPro picks it up. But yeah, David's Federal RSRRs, they make the same noise along here, so it must just be a characteristic of a semi-slick like this. Yeah. Oh God, this car's quick. Oh, what were your thoughts then compared to a Cup 2? Dude, give it another one. Give it another one.
Usually the Cup 2 would break loose a lot more than that.
Oh, really? God, it's violent.
I mean, it is a really hot day, so...
Car could be down on power a little bit.
Well, also just the tyres will be warm.
True.
And the road will be warm, so they'll be getting a bit more grip, but no, it feels good.
Alright, you can do a 0 to 100?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll do a 0 to 100. See if Declan can beat his record. Well, there we go. The warning has just come up that we have a tyre pressure issue. And again, it's realised there's no tyre pressure sensors. But to your understanding, it's now going to... What does it do?
Well, from what I've read, the pre-LCIs, they'll leave traction control off.
Yeah.
Or at least display as traction control off, but it'll actually be turned back on.
So basically, you shouldn't be able to do wheel spins now.
Well, LCIs, guys have said they haven't had that issue.
Yeah.
But because I've got CarPlay and things like that, like I tell BMW, don't update my software. So who knows? It could be this version of software may actually turn DSC off.
How do we tell?
I think I've got an idea.
We're just going to pull into this gentleman's driveway. I don't think you got that problem.
I think it's still off.
I think we have no traction control. Well, that's good. That's what you wanted.
Yeah.
Sweet. All right. We'll see you in a sec. Holy shit. Okay. 4.4.
It's pretty good for a first attempt.
That was very uneventful. Normally, there's lots of shit going on in this car.
It's like so much smoother.
Huh. All right. We'll do another one while we're out on the track. See you guys in a sec. Holy shit. Okay. 4.2. Is that your fastest?
Yep.
Woo! Holy shit, Deckers. You just needed to get some shitty old tyres.
That was the problem.
Oh, that's good. That's good. These are
4.2
old.
what?
4.26.
Okay. What was the 0 to 10 on it?
Verified and everything. 0 to 10 was 0 to 10 was 0.3.
Well, okay, that's the best.
That is the best, is it?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to head back. We'll see you guys for a summary of why you should buy Marketplace wheels. So guys, we got back. Declan, you happy? You've got your fastest 0 to 100 time.
Yeah,
Finally, there's probably a lot of guys that don't know, but this car's been on the channel for 2 years now, and he did his fastest time when it was on a relatively low state of tune, so just stage 1 boot mode.
Yep.
Boot mode.
With Continentals.
With Continental. And basically every time we did something to give it more power, it just made it more difficult to put its power down. So that's the first time we've gone out to do a 0 to 100, and actually it was less drama than we were expecting.
Yeah.
And we're on old semi-slicks. So yeah, some decent tyres have made a huge difference. And even just the way it doesn't axle tramp so much is, well, I think that's...
I think it just goes to show, like, the Cup 2s work so well on track.
Yep.
But not when it comes to launching or on the street.
Imagine what these are going to work like on the track.
We'll find out.
All right, so he's going to run these at Rolls tomorrow night. I hope everyone's watching. This video is probably going to go out, I don't know. There's a few videos. Anyway, guys, thank you for following along. Make sure you're cheering along for Rolls tomorrow. We'll catch you on the next one. Tell Declan to buy my wheels. Thank you. Bye.